Hey everyone, if you want to display, organize, search, and manage large amounts of data in your applications, tables are one of the most powerful components available in Appsmith. In this video, I'll show you how to add tables in Appsmith from start to finish in 2026. First, sign in to your Appsmith account and open the application where you want to add a table. Before creating the table, make sure you have a data source available. This could be a database, API, spreadsheet, or any other source that provides structured data. You can rename column headers, hide unnecessary columns, reorder fields, and adjust column widths to improve readability. Another useful step is configuring sorting and filtering options. These features allow users to find information more quickly when working with large datasets. You can also enable search functionality so users can locate records without manually browsing through every row. If your application supports editing data, configure editable columns and connect update actions to your database or API. For administrative tools, you may also add buttons, icons, or custom actions directly within table rows. Another helpful feature is pagination. And that's how to add tables in Appsmith in 2026. With connected data sources, customizable columns, and powerful filtering capabilities, tables make it easy to present and manage information within your applications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.